परिवर्तन की वेला प्रभु का मंगल अवतरण हर्षित हुआ जन जन का मन।
Om Shanti, Divyatma Swarupas. Today's journey towards Bhagavan is developing through the pure knowledge about the Atma or soul. What is life? What is an Atma? What we are? Where did you come from? The secret formula for attaining the deepest form of happiness is light the lamp of spirituality in your heart or mind. It should shine day by day with added luster. There is no living being without the spark of Atma or soul. Man's basic nature is divine, and the purpose of life is the realization of the divinity and to experience the supreme bliss, Paramananda. This will be possible by leading a moral and disciplined life, by engaging spiritual practices, and by developing the values of 7 virtues and 8 powers in our own self, Atma. To transform his or her worldly life of self-centered desires and attachments into the higher spiritual life, the foundation should be built for receiving God's eternal bliss. It is this grace which will reveal our true nature to each of us. In life, patience is a virtue and power too. Patience tells us the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that we get over there by one step at a time. It is a good question. In life, what is the purpose of God? In life, God's or Bhagavan's purpose is the spiritual awakening of each Atma and the removal of all sorrow, evils and negativity, which is possible only through sadhana, meditation. What we are, where did you come from? We all are Atmas, point of light, energy. We all came from soul world to play our part in this drama. Atma is a point of light, conscious light, Jyoti Swarupam. It is an energy. To understand which deep secret, do you need to have an unlimited intellect? Self-realization or Swadharshanam means to know about the reality of our own real self, Atma. Besides the body, there is an entity that has consciousness as its essential nature. For example, someone passed away. Others around that body starts to tell that he got moksha and he will go to heaven. His body is there on the floor. It has no ability to move. So what will go to heaven? And who was he? It's clear that something has left from his body. So he was moving his body with the help of some energy. That energy, point of light, is called Atma. Atma is a point of light situating in brain in between hypothalamus and pituitary gland. Atma, which is guiding through this body, is known as Jivatma. The Atma or soul, which is giving power or energy to Jivatma, is known as Paramatma, the supreme soul, the supreme light, the father of all Atmas, the God, light sun. Use a little common sense and you will know that the body is not your own self. You have to realize that you are not your physical body, which is impermanent. You have to look at this objective world with the eye of wisdom, not with the physical eye. Look at the animals, the insects, the birds, and the beasts. All are looking at this world with their physical eyes. If you too look at this objective world with mere physical eyes, what difference is there between you and those beings? You will then simply remain as an animal. You will not realize your true nature, which is beyond the physical world. The body is like a water bubble. It will disappear one day or the other. You are not the body that has birth, growth, decay, and ultimately death. You are an Atma, embodiment of sacredness, in the form of conscious light or energy. Your life as a human being will acquire a meaning and a purpose only when you realize that consciousness or Atma or soul. Atma is a point of conscious light with 7 virtues and 8 powers. Self-realization is possible only with the help of meditation, Raja Yoga Dhyana. Wake up the light and spread the light. In this era of devilish tendencies, sadness and mental stress have surrounded many. Awakened stage is a powerful form of Atma, self. Self that has arisen from one's own inner being. The Atma or soul is a pool of positive energy or power. You are an Atma or soul in real. You are not the body. Memories are stored in it. Atma is a unique form of light or energy. The person whose heart is transplanted does not become like the person donated. The person receiving the heart remains the same as it was before. In Bharat culture, Indian culture, mentioning tilak in the middle of Brihudi or the third eye is a symbol of the Atma or soul itself. Atma or soul is not visible through these studies, but it is internal strength can be rekindled by practicing a few moments of Raja Yoga. Raja Yoga meditation is the highest sadhana. In Bhagavad Gita, chapter 10, verse 10 says, Tesham satadayuktanam bhajatam pritipurvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam येन मामुपयान्ति ते. To those whose mind are always united with God or Bhagavan or Paramatma, Baba, in pure love, Baba give the divine knowledge by which they can attain God, Bhagavan, Paramatma or Supreme Soul. The secret of self-realization through Raja Yoga meditation or Raja Yoga Dhyana explains in Bhagavad Gita chapter 9. Chapter 9 verse 2 states, Rajavidya Rajaguhyam Pavitramidamuttamam Pratyakshavagamam Dharmyam Susukham Kartumavyayam. This knowledge is the king of sciences, king of all yogas, and the most profound of all secrets. It purifies those who hear and practice it, and everlasting in effect.